Improve your workout safety with these top mobility ideas. Are you tired of feeling stiff and sore after your workouts? Do you want to maximize your performance and minimize the risk of injury? If so, then you need to prioritize mobility in your workout routine. By incorporating specific stretches and movements, you can enhance your flexibility, increase your range of motion, and maintain proper alignment in your exercises. One of the most common misconceptions about stretching is that it's only necessary before or after a workout. While it's true that stretching can help warm up your muscles before exercise and aid in recovery afterwards, it's also crucial to incorporate mobility exercises throughout your workout. This ensures that your muscles and joints remain supple and primed for movement, reducing the risk of strains, sprains, and other injuries. So, what are some top mobility ideas that you can incorporate into your workout routine? Let's dive in. First, consider incorporating dynamic stretching before your workout. Dynamic stretches involve moving through a full range of motion, which helps increase blood flow to the muscles and prepares them for the upcoming movements. Examples of dynamic stretches include arm circles, leg swings, and walking lunges. By starting your workout with dynamic stretching, you'll activate the muscles you'll be using and improve your overall performance. Next, don't forget about the importance of static stretching. While dynamic stretching is great for warming up, static stretching is ideal for improving flexibility and elongating the muscles. Static stretches involve holding a position for 1,530 seconds, allowing the muscle fibers to lengthen and relax. Some popular static stretches include hamstring stretches, hip flexor stretches, and chest stretches. Incorporating static stretches during your workout can help improve your range of motion and prevent muscle imbalances. Another effective mobility technique to consider is foam rolling. Foam rolling, also known as self-myofascial release, involves using a foam roller to apply pressure to tight muscles and fascia. By rolling over these areas, you can release tension and improve blood flow, which can help reduce muscle soreness and improve mobility. Foam rolling can be done before or after your workout, or even on rest days to alleviate muscle tightness. In addition to stretching and foam rolling, it's important to prioritize proper form and alignment in your exercises. This means focusing on maintaining a neutral spine, engaging your core, and avoiding compensatory movements. By practicing proper form, you'll not only reduce the risk of injury but also improve the effectiveness of the exercise. If you're unsure about your form, consider working with a qualified trainer or coach who can provide guidance and support. As you incorporate these mobility ideas into your workout routine, remember to listen to your body and make adjustments as needed. Each person's mobility needs are unique, so what works for one person may not work for another. Pay attention to how your body feels during and after each exercise, and make modifications as necessary to ensure that you're getting the most out of your workout while keeping yourself safe. In conclusion, mobility is a crucial component of any workout routine. By incorporating dynamic stretching, static stretching, foam rolling, and focusing on proper form, you can improve your flexibility, increase your range of motion, and reduce the risk of injury. So, don't neglect your mobility. Prioritize it in your workouts and reap the benefits of a safer, more effective fitness journey. Now it's your turn. Try incorporating these mobility ideas into your next workout and see how they enhance your performance and overall well-being. And if you found this content helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and tricks. Together, let's stay healthy, strong, and injury-free.